Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm back with another video, and today I'm taking a look at this, the Homespot wireless Bluetooth adapter for the Nintendo Switch. As everyone already knows, the Nintendo Switch is the ultimate portable console. You can dock it at home, you can take it on the go, you got Wi-Fi, you can do digital games on it, but the one thing that it absolutely lacks is any sort of Bluetooth network capabilities, which means that if you want to bring your Switch with you and use your wireless headphones, you can't. And that's kind of a real shame of the Switch. It's this perfect console that you can bring with you anywhere you go, but it doesn't have Bluetooth. And that's what this little guy is for, the Bluetooth adapter for the Nintendo Switch. You plug it into the USB Type-C port at the bottom of the Switch, and it gives you Bluetooth capabilities so you can use your headphones, earbuds, anything that's Bluetooth. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. Got my knife. Here's the Bluetooth adapter for the Switch, the box. From other videos that I've seen, all of the boxes are just plain old gray or brown cardboard, but this one actually has nice, a nice little box this time around. As you can see right there. And let's see, open this. And take it out. Yeah, this box is really nice because it doesn't look so plain. It looks like an actual product now. It says that it works for both handheld mode and TV mode with the attachments. So I don't need this box anymore, so I'm just gonna leave it over there and pull this out. So we've got instructions on how to use it. We've got the little plastic that it came in. And we have a little guidebook if you're happy or not happy with your product. But here's the little package, and let's open this up. What do we get in here? Oh, here it is. Why would they? Okay, that was really weird because this piece was in this box, but this one wasn't for some reason. All right, so I guess I do have the adapter. I panicked for a moment because I thought I got one without an adapter in it. Is this the one that comes with a microphone? I guess it doesn't. It's supposed to have a microphone on it. This is it. The USB Type-C port up here, and then 3 little LED lights down there, and 2 buttons here that you can press to pair 2 separate headphones. And on the back, just minimal labeling. This is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter. So you could plug this in, and you can plug that into the side of your dock. And with that, it allows you to then use your Bluetooth headphones while the Switch is docked. But also I heard that it works with a computer as well, so I'll give that a try one of these days. This is it, the 3 things that you get out of the box, which are the USB Type-C female to USB Type-A male, and the actual adapter itself, which goes into the bottom of your Switch, and then you get a little handy carrying case for it. But we don't care about this. We only care about these 2 right here, so let's get this set up. Actually, we barely even care about this. Let's get this set up right now. So I've got my Nintendo Switch here with a Satisfy grip on it, which I'll be checking out in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for this one. And the way this works is turn on the Nintendo Switch and go to the home menu. Insert the Homespot into the USB port. LED indicators, it'll start flashing. Is ready for pairing and connecting with your headphones once the LEDs have stopped flashing. Connecting Bluetooth headphones upon powering up. It automatically enters pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth headphone is in pairing mode. So I have these Bluetooth headphones, so I'm just gonna turn them on. Okay, so after maybe about a minute or 2, I got it figured out and now I got it paired. So I'll just put this around the back of my head. Okay, and already it works. So I technically don't need this anymore, but it was honestly that simple. I have this already plugged in and paired. I'm hearing it through these earbuds, but I don't know if you can hear it though. We'll see. It's working. It only took a minute to set up. It looks really good so far. And then I can turn down the volume of the headphones using this the volume rocker on the Switch itself. All right, so now I'm in some Doom. I'm gonna lower the volume a little. Yeah, it sounds pretty good so far. The great part of it is it just works. Okay, so after trying it out for a little bit, it sounds just like as if I were playing on regular headphones, which is amazing. It fits inside of the Satisfy grip, and the other cool thing is because it's USB Type-C, I can easily flip this around to hide the LED lights in case the LED lights are blaring at me for some reason, and then just hide it, and the only thing you get here is just the Homespot logo. So to give my first impressions, I think for $40 or $30, which is what I got it for because Amazon had a coupon, I think this is a really great way to, I guess, modernize and bring the Switch up to modern standards by adding Bluetooth onto it. It's extremely minimal. There's different color options as well. If you wanted blue and red or yellow, yellow, brown, brown, for the different versions of the Switch, you can choose different versions of these buttons. These ones were the cheapest ones, which is really nice considering I already have gray Joy-Cons. So yeah, that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Homespot wireless Bluetooth adapter for the Nintendo Switch. I think it's worth the money. If you guys are interested, you guys should pick one up. Let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments below. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.